Hi, my name is Yoshine Saito. I'm a rising senior in course 10B.
My name is Zach Schmitz. I'm a current junior, course 10B.
I'm studying both course 10 and course 7, and I took 1028 in my junior fall.
I'm a 10B and I'm a junior at MIT.
So 1028 introduces you to cell culture, specifically emphasizing how to optimize growth as well as production of recombinant product. So you begin with the shake flask, then you build it up to a 1 liter bioreactor, so a batch experiment, and then from there you continue to make small tweaks and optimize the process to then you transition to a fed batch, and then finally a continuous process.
So 1028L is interesting that it's a very hands-on application to pharmaceutically relevant processes. It was able to sort of make everything you learn in 703, 706, all those core fundamental classes more relevant.
I really like 1028 because I was able to implement all the things I learned in biology classes and chemical engineering classes into actual engineering practice.
I really enjoyed how we were given free reign in a lot of aspects, being able to design experiments and to control the development or the arc of the project. It was a nice balance between being able to control the arc of the experiments and actually design them, but also giving very good support and actually taking our ideas and putting them into tangible products.
So my favorite experiment was doing the fed batch, and then from everything from having to calculate how many times do we want to add feed over this period to where are we going to set our oxygen set point or potentially pH set point. So that was interesting to me, particularly because I was taking 10450, and it was neat to consider how applying some minuscule amount of control to your system could potentially enhance your eventual output of your cell culture. So that kind of really made it more 1028, like the pharmaceutical experience that chemical engineers can participate in, became more real to me through doing that particular set of experiments.
After taking 1028, I had the opportunity to go visit a manufacturing site of a pharmaceutical company, and I was really impressed because we covered a lot of the essential aspects of pharmaceutical engineering in 1028. Also, I was very impressed because 1028 had all the very innovative new high throughput platforms such as Ember 15 and BioLector. I also saw that the pharmaceutical company in their production development team, they were also using the similar equipment.
Because actually this summer I'm working at Bristol Myers Squibb looking at upstream process development in monoclonal antibodies, and we're looking for a low glucose speeding strategy. So actually some of the papers that my supervisor told me to read were actually papers that we were supposed to read for 1028L. So that was a really weird connection. So yeah, it's really relevant for me, and I think it's a really good introductory course if you're interested in doing sort of PD.
I think that's what 1028 has given me, a better intuition of understanding what for a particular microorganism would be the primary factors that would impact its growth and how can we control them. So I think it's given me, as I said, the intuition for designing these setups, and that intuition will help guide me through them and what changes to make, what to test, and what I can control and optimize for.